Hey guys, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies, and today we're going to review the Econoline 3630. This machine is a more standardized version of your VH1000. You're going to have the same workspace in a 36 by 30 by 38, but you're going to have more standard features. So let's go over this machine. You'll still have the wiper on this machine, so this will help you to get a clear sight line to your part in the cabinet while blasting, and it will keep your window clear at all times. You still have the foot pedal operation down here, so when you step on this, it turns everything on, step back off, turns everything off. This machine is a 110 only. The heater is non-applicable to this machine. You cannot upgrade this machine to 220. It is a 110 volt only. You're gonna have a standard regulator here on the side. This allows you to adjust your airflow into the cabinet very easily without having to do it from your compressor. If we step around to the back, you do have the option to go with open loop or closed loop. If you go with closed loop, you'll get the basins like this. If you go with open loop, obviously you will not receive those basins with your machine. Up here, we have a manual drain valve. So on some of the machines, you'll notice that they are automated, but on the Econoline machines, they're going to be manual. So you will have to manually drain your excess water that comes from the window rins and the internal rins. If we step around to this side and we look inside of the cabinet here, you can see that you get one LED strip light in this cabinet. It's 2 feet long. It provides very clear cut and directional light, and with this cabinet being white, it's going to reflect off of all the walls and give you even brighter light. The workspace, as you can see, 36 by 30 by 38. You also have a standard pump on this machine with a plastic impeller. If you have any questions, please give us a call. My number is 828-220-5012.